And to start harvesting water hyacinth that has been a menace on the face of Lake Victoria, women in the fish business in Dunga Beach and Kisumu are a happy lot. This is courtesy of an initiative by a social enterprise organization that has seen them use biogas derived from the water hyacinth.
Now, the biogas plant was set up in Dunga Beach on a pilot program by Biogas International. And 2.5 months later, the women here are saying goodbye to smoky and expensive wood fuel. Here is Kevin Ogutu with that report.
For years, this has been a very important part of Dunga Beach. It is here that fish from the lake is prepared and fried for waiting customers. The rocky terrain helping in setting up the 3 stone stoves. It is a smoky affair for the all-woman business here, men having done their part in fishing and bringing the important commodity to the shore. While some of the stoves have been improved to conserve firewood, the smoke is still rife. Some of the women here, like Philista or Jijo, have been in this trade for over 20 years.
Lakini kuni, hasara ya kuni ya kununua. Kama sisi alikuwa nafanya hii samaki na nini, nachoma na kuni. Hata 300, 400 kuni, 500.
Biashara nayo sio mbaya. Biashara imekuwa mzuri kwa sababu tunapata samaki tunauza, tunapata profit kidogo.
Adjacent to the fish frying and drying open area is this new establishment, a biogas digester using water hyacinth. This serves to demonstrate that pest weeds like water hyacinth can be put to meaningful use.
Instead of money in, like the water hyacinth, there's billions have gone into trying to get it out of the lake, to eliminate it. It's all gone down the drain because as soon as you stop, it grows back again.
The demonstration here in Dunga, a classic case of using 1 stone to kill 2 birds, is supposed to remove the weed from the lake and at the same time provide cheaper and cleaner fuel for the women fish business.
So the water hyacinth is harvested. We've hired and trained 2 local people who go and harvest the water hyacinth from the lake. They then thrash it using a thrasher machine. A digester is a stomach. So we chew our food before we swallow it. So we have to crush the food or pulp it to feed it into the digester. These are multi-stage digesters. There are 2 units here. Each of them are 5-stage. There are 5-stage digesters. So the feedstock goes into the first one and starts the beginning of the digester process. It goes through hydrolysis, acidogen, the acritic stage, and then the methane stage. So by the time it comes out of the 5th digester, it is fully broken down. It has no more food value. It's got no smell. It's got no flies are attracted to it or anything like that because there's nothing for anything to grow on.
At only 2.5 months after the installation of this biogas digester, it's now able to produce over 15,000 liters of methane gas daily. At the moment, they are running 200 to 400 kilos of water hyacinth daily, and they are looking to triple that in the coming months.
It's the first time we're using water hyacinth on these particular digesters, so we don't know where is the cap. We don't know where the system is going to start coming out, still fermenting. That's when you know you've reached the limit of.
The gas from the digester is piped to a waiting modern jiko, complete with windshield. For now, 3 women are using this jiko in turn, free of charge. Dominic says plans for payments will be made later, when every woman shall have been connected to the gas.
So we're probably going to come in at around 400 or 500 shillings per day, per use. So we're building kitchens that will have very efficient stoves. We'll have nice places for them, benches for processing the fish. We want all the fish offals, all the blood, all the scales, all of the waste that's ending up on the beach.
In 3 months' time, Mango Tree Group will start removing water hyacinth from Lake Victoria as part of the long-term solution of eradicating the weed from the face of the lake. But Dominic is not worried about this.
We want to partner with that program, and we'll give them a place to be dumping the water hyacinth. Instead of just dumping it and that program having no end to a continuous, because it's going to be a continuous operation.
For Philista and Eunice, who are among the first beneficiaries, the clean energy is God-sent.
Nimeshatumia kuni kwa mwaka 6. Nimekuwa na changamoto mingi kwa sababu Hii kuni tunanunua karibu 1,000 kwa siku moja.